Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can save files from iCloud Disk to your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes under this video and write your comments after watching. So friends, let us get down to our topic. And first, you'll need to open the Files app on your iPhone, which is factory default on all iPhones. You can easily find it. Next, friends, you will need to go on the right-hand side at the bottom to the browsing section. And here, select iCloud Memory. Next, navigate to your Some files. And in order to see if your iCloud files are saved on your iPhone, you just have to look at them, because next to them, if there's this cloud sign right here, that means that you can only save them and they're not currently downloaded. And in order to save them from iCloud to iPhone memory, you just have to make one simple movement. You'll just have to tap on that cloud sign to download. As you can see, instantly the file downloading starts. Also friends, if let's say you want to make a copy of those files that you already have, then you'll need to go back to Browse as well, select on My iPhone, and then tap on one of the files, hold it down, and then tap again. Then you can move the file to one of the folders in iCloud Memory. And then in this way, make a copy of this file so that it will be both on your iPhone and iCloud Disk. Also folks, let's say if you just want to send a file to yourself or to one of your friends, then you can do that very easily. You can also tap and hold on any of the files, whether they are in your iCloud Drive or on your iPhone. And then select Share. And you can share your file with your favorite contacts. Or you can share it on some messenger or social networking site. Or you can share notes to yourself. Also friends, you will be able to copy this file, copy the link to it and share it further. In this way, friends, you will be able to save files from iCloud Disk to your iPhone memory. I really hope that this video helped you and was useful to you. Write comments under this video and be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.